Hey everyone, Steve the Swing Trader, bringing you another quick video. Purpose of the video is share ideas on how I read and chart stop price action. Here's some information about my trading style, and here's some rules that I follow. Not intended to be financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. With that said, let's go to the charts. And today we're looking at FAANG, my version of FAANG. But to start off, let's look at the technology ETF, XLK, to kind of set the stage on what technology stocks are doing currently. And it's been, technology stocks has been, for the most part, in an uptrend. It's above the 200 and above the 50. So trend is up. And on the XLK, price has formed a symmetrical wedge. And if we project the price, we're looking at about 134 for XLK. So to start to get into FAANG, I'd like to start backwards and start with Google, which is a G in FAANG, to kind of show you what technology stocks can do in the near future. So as we've seen in XLK, it's formed a symmetrical wedge, and Google, which I'd have to say is much far along compared to the other technology stocks that I'll be showing you. It's broken out of that symmetrical wedge and hitting our projected price of 1826. From that point, we can see a slight pullback. I see a bearish divergence on the Stochk RSI. So we can see a little bit of pullback on Google before advancing further. Maybe find support at the 50 or at these other Fibonacci levels. So let's move on with Facebook. Also forming a symmetrical wedge. And if we project the price, we're looking at 330. Moving on to Apple. Also formed a symmetrical wedge, and if we project price, we're looking at 142. Moving on to Amazon, also a symmetrical wedge, and if we project a price, we're looking at 38.12 to 38.98 potentially. Next is AMD, also another symmetrical wedge, and it's broken out definitely, and it's on its way to target price of 103. Next is Netflix. Netflix, not a symmetrical wedge, but a channel. Price has been moving in this channel, and if it breaks out, we're looking at 638 to 655. Next is Microsoft, also a symmetrical wedge, and if we project price, we're looking at 250. And Google, we've already seen. So as you can see, a lot of the technology stocks have formed a symmetrical wedge and starting to break out, or in the process of moving to my target price. And so this is a quick look of my version of FAANG. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video.